Hello, how did your week go? It's Friday and it's time to relax, to just chill and distill all the stress that you've carried all through the week. Okay, depending on what how your week went, you want to reflect back on the week and see what went well, what didn't go well, what could you have done differently, what results did you achieve, what did you fail at. I mean, depending on what happened in the course of the week, but you need to look back and look at, okay, what did I do this week? What did I do right? What did I miss? What could I have done better? It's important that you do an evaluation of your week to see how you performed, how you did, and look at what you can do better in the new week. That is the goal. Get better, 1% better every day, 1% better every day, 1% better every week. Okay, make sure you're a better person by next week, and of course, every subsequent week. And have fun over the weekend, enjoy yourself, and have a great weekend. Okay, sure, I will do that. See you guys. Bye.